You are looking at the ichthyosaur exhibit in the Museum of Natural History at the University of Michigan. By definition, ichthyosaurs were marine reptiles of the Mesozoic era that resembled a dolphin, with a long pointed head, 4 flippers, and a vertical tail. They existed longer than the dinosaurs and prospered in the oceans all over the world as top predators. These creatures had a long evolutionary journey that is evident in the fossil record. Like whales, ichthyosaurs evolved from land-dwelling tetrapods and developed their aquatic lifestyle secondarily. Ichthyosaurs were able to cut all ties with land when they developed the ability to give birth to live young. They gave birth to their young tail first, as shown in this fossil here, in order to avoid the chance of their newborn drowning. Usually, egg-bearing reptiles determine the sex of their offspring through incubation temperatures of the egg. Ichthyosaurs most likely bypassed this dilemma through genetic sex-determinant chromosomes. Another critical evolutionary adaptation that helped make ichthyosaurs champions of the deep was its large eyes. Over time, ichthyosaurs developed one of the largest eye-to-body ratios ever seen, giving them more photoreceptive cells that could absorb more light. This allowed them to expand their hunting grounds to deeper and darker waters. Ichthyosaurs were able to patrol their domain in part due to the evolution of their spine. Ichthyosaurs had slim backbones that allowed them to undulate their entire body like an eel. This allowed them to be quick and maneuverable on the continental shelf where they originally inhabited. However, when they transitioned to deeper water, their backbones grew thicker and more rigid, allowing ichthyosaurs to swim by undulating only their posterior half. This is called thunniform swimming and is common among open ocean cruisers today because it provides good speed and acceleration. The strengthening of their spine, along with the development of their derived crescent-shaped caudal fin, made ichthyosaurs swift hunters. The increase in backbone thickness coincided with the increase in their overall body mass. With more body weight, they could withstand the increased pressure of deeper water. They could also retain more oxygen in this extra mass, allowing them to stay underwater longer. The ichthyosaurs are a prime example of convergent evolution. Their large body sizes, giving birth to live young and breathing air, are similar to adaptations made by whales. Their vertebrae, tail, and swimming styles can be compared to the great white shark. Their slender mouth, dorsal, and pectoral fins can be seen in today's dolphins, and their large eyes are comparable to the squids. Nature's selective pressures created similar biological traits among unrelated lineages. This happened because certain body plans lead to greater survival capabilities among many organisms in specific habitats. Although ichthyosaurs have long since gone extinct, they were able to thrive in the oceans for over 150 million years because of their effective evolutionary journey.